Okay, today is Friday, 18 September 2020. Topic: The Tin Soldier. Performance: read page 22 to 24. Okay. Okay, first we check this answer, that what happened in the story. And this is cross, no. And the lake, no, because he was in the river, no. And no, in this, no, is the Globen, is the tin soldier. And one fish into the boat, no, it's cross. And this is real because the mice look him all the time. And this is check. This is true, check that. And then the globin look incomplete. Okay. The globin is in this is scared, and the globin is jumping. The globin is swimming, this swimming, and the globin is dancing. Okay, scared, jumping, swimming, and dancing. Okay, and now continue with the story. The story is here. Okay, we start. Open your book, page 22nd. The tin soldier falls into the water. Remember, he was in the boat, and he cayó into the water. A big fish, look, this is a fish, and it's big. Lo mira, sees him, and slows him up. Lo tragó, ni siquiera se lo comió, lo tragó. Dice, delicious. And the soldier dice, it's so dark in there. Look, mira aquí, él ya está dentro del pez. It's so dark in here. I'm scared, but I am a soldier. I can't cry. Yes? Está asustado, pero dice, pero, I am a soldier and I can't cry. No puedo llorar. Okay, continue. Here. Dice, a fisherman, o sea, el fisherman, catch the fish, lo captura, and the fish, the big fish, and take it to Tom's house. Take the fish and go for the Tom's house, a la casa de Tom. The cook, she's the cook, la cocinero, cuts it open the fish. O sea, te lo vemos, look that, mira. Open the fish and finds the tin soldier inside. Y encuentra al soldadito adentro. Yes? Y ella se pregunta, aquí arribita dice, what is this? What is this doing here? What is this doing here? ¿Qué está ¿Por qué no? ¿Por qué está haciendo aquí? I am a tin soldier. Please don't hurt me. Soy un pequeño soldado. Por favor, no me lastime. Okay. And the cook takes the tin soldier to the playroom. The paper dancer, look, the paper dancer, the cook put the soldier in the room of the toys, and the Dancer, paper dancer. Aquí vamos, the paper dancer is still there. Aún se encuentra ahí. She sings and dances for him. Empieza a cantar y a bailar por él. He is very happy. Y le dice, my beautiful dancer, I'm so happy to see you again. My beautiful dancer, mi hermosa bailarina. I'm so happy to see you again. Estoy feliz, mira lo feliz que está. I'm so happy to see you again. Y le dice, oh soldier, I'm happy too that you are finally back. Ella también está feliz porque él regresó back. Okay, we finish here the activity, and in the next video I give you a song about the story, the song. Okay, this finally in this moment, this is the activity for today, only to read. Era solo leerlo. Bueno, okay, bye, see you. Remember that I asked you. Recuerda que después les pregunto. Bye.